Hi guys, so today I'm unboxing one of my latest products, which is gimbal. So just start it. So what I have ordered is the DJI Mobile Gimbal. So I ordered this from Amazon, and I wanted it badly because I have just started vlogging, so I need some equipment to start. So before starting, let me just tell you that I bought it for around 8,000, and I ordered yesterday and I got in the morning only. So let's start this. Okay, so there is a marking. Let's see this. Oh, I can't believe it. Its MRP is written 56,990. Okay, I'm not sure why it is so high in MRP when they are selling just for 7 or 8,000. Okay. So yeah, so I have opened the seal, and let's open it. Open it. Okay, so it opens like this. Okay, got it. So if you see, it is written somewhat in like 1 2 3. So one is like a guide, second one is, I believe it's a mobile clamp, third is like how do you fix this clamp into the gimbal, and finally you are done. Okay, let's start this. So I will be using this for the first time. Okay, the packaging is pretty much premium, and I see it like it is very well packaged. So before starting, let me show you what inside. I believe it's a pouch. Okay, yeah, so we got a pouch, and I'm not sure this, it's written, it's anti-slip pad. So guys, it is written, if required, use the anti-slip pad to secure the mobile phone in the phone holder. Okay, so we'll keep it for a while. And this is a mobile pouch with a Osmo engraving. Okay, let's keep it for a side. Do we have something? Okay, silica gel. Okay, so this is okay. Manuals is there. Okay, quick start guide. So just show you the quick start guide. As I've shown you that a barcode is there, you can scan it. This is the phone holder, for like you can put your phone in the phone holder and mount this accessory to the gimbal like this. I believe it's a magnet shown, so it will stick via magnet only, magnetic field. And fourth, we have some controls on the gimbal itself. So it's 2S, so maybe we have a 2-second timer. So I believe we can start, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is the mobile holder, and it's certain phone camera direction. To be truthful, I'm very much impressed with the quality, with their, I mean, even it is stretchable. I feel it's a good product, although I bought it after seeing thousands of rating in the Amazon. Okay, so now this is the handle, and it may open like this. Okay, let's do this way. Okay, we'll keep it for a side. So our heart of the gimbal, this piece. Okay. So let me open it. Wow. Guys, it really looks I mean, rigid. Oh my god. I'm using it for the first time, and trust me, guys, it's a really nice feeling. I will definitely show you some more thing, but okay, let's start this. Okay, so again, this M maybe the 2 second thing it was showing, so it's a joystick. Yeah, and it's so let's see it once we mount it. So and the last thing in the box is this charging cable. This charging cable is USB-C on the one side and USB 2.0 on the other side. Okay, so let's do one thing is like I need to first charge it. Let me check that if I put my phone how it works. So I believe first like it will directly, okay, oh my god, do you see it? Very strong magnetic field, just see it. Okay, so this is fine, and okay, so guys, let me do one thing. Let me set it. Maybe I need another phone to record and show you how it works, but until I'm not sure it's okay how to on it. Okay, this is M now. Okay, okay, you see this light? Okay, so this, when I click this M, so this particular is the power button, so a light came. See, it's full charged for the now, and I believe it's zoom and minus, and this is for rotating the camera. Okay, so what I do is let me just I mean Google it, work upon it, let my phone fix, and I will keep you posted on how successful it is. But this is just an unboxing video, so I just summarize it. Like, this is the device, this is a phone camera, phone holder, okay, and it's pretty much sturdy. Just a second. Okay, okay, I believe it's like, okay, 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 now it's fine. Yeah, so that's for now, that's it for now. Thank you, stay tuned for my next video.